Usar-A not only responds to fires, vehicle collisions, and EMS calls.
Here we have our brand new AMKIST rescue tools, battery operated. These allow us to get to the patient at a vehicle accident a lot quicker. We can get in areas that previously made it harder because we had to maneuver big hydraulic lines around. So basically our new urban search and rescue vehicle is a big toolbox that we're able to carry all the equipment needed for emergencies. So we carry jackhammers, portable air compressors. We do use these for a potential earthquake. It helps us to break and breach through concrete to find and rescue potential patients.
We do carry also a large complement of cribbing, which we could utilize to prevent buildings from continuing to collapse or holding vehicles in place on those rescue events. On the back of Usar-A could be found a 24-foot, 9-inch knuckle boom crane that we are able to utilize to lift up to 22,000 pounds. We could also attach someone to the end of that crane and use it as a high point for high angle and low angle rope rescue if required to. Whether they're soft slings, flat shackles, chains, or cable chokers. We could use all this equipment on either side of the slide to help us adapt to technical rescue situations. We could use these items in conjunction with the crane to lift heavy blocks of concrete, heavy vehicles, or anything else that's large and heavy and cumbersome. On the top of Usar-A, we have two compartments. One compartment has the black rubber inflatable rescue boat. The second compartment has the 30 horsepower outboard motor. We could utilize the crane on the back of Usar-A, pick up each box, put it on the side, take the boats out, inflate them, attach the outboard motor, put them in the water. The Usar team can then jump in those boats in search of a lost boater. This compartment here contains over 4,000 feet of lifeline. This is our rope rescue compartment right here. We have ropes and the hardware and software that go along with it. We can utilize these rope systems in order to perform high angle and low angle rope rescue, such as window washers trapped on the side of high-rise buildings down, or the hiker or vehicle that's gone off the side of the road up, and we have to then go over the side of the hill, retrieve the individual, and provide medical care and bring them back up to the road. Usar-A also carries a complement of high-tech devices such as night vision goggles and search cams. For example, we have this search camera right here that we could utilize in collapsed structures. It is a long camera attached to a rod. Here's the camera, LED lights on the end, and then articulating point right here. We can then place this into a very tight location, utilize this screen to search areas for potentially trapped victims. Usar-A also has the capability to communicate with which has a hoist and hook system on it to lift a victim on the side of a mountain. How we would apply the screamer suit to the victim: she'd first have the orange buckle around her waist attached. We would then place the victim's arms through either holes on either side of the screamer suit. The groin strap would then come up between her legs, connected to the delta ring.
Over here we have our shoring compartments. Shoring up a building is when either a vehicle possibly drove into a building, a fire, or again an earthquake. So what we'll do is we'll get out here and we will start cutting up wood to build the shoring, to hold up doorways, keep everybody safe going in from further collapse. In addition to breaking and breaching, we carry equipment for trench rescue, water rescue, confined space rescue, and high and low angle rescue.